So here's the app called Cycle AI, Talk with AI Friends. So this is new AI chatting app where you can just see it. Each character in Cycle AI is yours to shape. You can fine tune how they look, how they speak, and how they respond. Their backstories, emotional tone, and conversational style are all customizable, allowing you to bring your ideas to life in vivid, expressive ways. What truly sets Cycle AI apart is its presence. Language is never a barrier in Cycle AI. Privacy is central to Cycle AI experience. So here, as you can just see, vast narratives, true bonds, build your AI, get real, and then you can just open it up. Then you can see the pricing $10 per week, 60 per year, or 50 half a year. So different. And then you can just see there's 7-day welcome gift. You can just get some free, but then, or you can just check in. And then, all right, let's create an account in Cycle AI just to show you. So here are the details. 10 free energy,